Hey guys, this is Desiree with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I have a very oily gear, and we're going to hydroblast this to make sure with parts like this you don't have any residual or embedded media, since these are rubbing against other gear. So for parts like this, hydroblasting might be your best solution. So as we can see, the hydroblast did a really great job removing all the caked on oil and grease from this component without leaving any residual or embedded media. For more information, visit our website or call us at 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.